Imagine that you buy a new product, but it does not come with any user guide or manual on how to use it. Without full knowledge, you may still use the product. However, you might get stuck in the middle of using it or use it in a wrong way, which might even damage it. To eliminate this, having a specific user guide of the product itself makes it an excellent resource for learning about and making the most of the device in question. Now, you may be wondering why a user manual is needed in a tech company. Hi, I'm Jenisha, and in today's episode, I will be discussing application user manual and things you should keep in mind while preparing it. Spiralogics SkillUp is a series of videos created by employees of Spiralogics to help working professionals improve their skills and knowledge on topics ranging from project management, software development, communications, QA, HR, operations management to DevSecOps. Software applications can be quite complex or easy to use in nature, but there might be a nested functionality within the application which first-time user may find difficult. And this is when application user manuals come to rescue. User manuals are prepared mostly in plain, simple language which is easy to understand, with the goal that information is perceived as intended. User manuals are specifically created for end users to provide an avenue for users to learn how to use software applications and their features. A manual is there to help users get the most value of the application. The main goal of application user manual is to help users make effective and safe use of the application. So now you know what a user manual is, you might wonder what goes into this document. Firstly, the user manual does not state only the application feature, but it begins with background information about the application, its compatibility, platform, and latest version details so that the user has a basic knowledge about the application. After a basic background of application, the document should start with the application features, preferably in the application sequence. Let's first look at the samples of these two user manuals. Which one do you think will help a user understand more about the application? If you answered B, then you are correct. Visual representation is the way to grasp people's attention and knowledge that is intended to deliver. Using only text paragraph for application features in user manuals, it will end up being a long wall of text without anything to catch attention of the readers. By adding relevant screenshot images with the specific features highlighted, it makes documents more interactive and engaging to the user. You can focus on standard colors and type of highlighters to be used on the screenshots. Usually, our practice is to use a red color to highlight the features in screenshots. Along with this, you must make sure to include captions and image numbers which help the readers to understand and correctly interpret the screenshot. Your writing should be in plain language which makes it clear, simple, and easy to understand and does not require readers to refer to search meaning of words online. When it comes to any writing, words matter, so you need to choose your word wisely, avoid using jargon, complicated words, focus on using same terms consistently and placing the words carefully. Content presentation in user manual documents should be in a proper structure. Readers of the user manual should be addressed using you instead of they and should be consistent throughout the document. Along with this, your writing should also be as concise as possible while delivering information. One way to achieve conciseness consists of cutting the clutter. You can cut clutter in writing by removing redundancies. For example, you can replace a lack of familiarity with the word unfamiliar. Also, minimizing the usage of careless qualifiers, example, very, rarely, so always, and so on. Documents are crucial in any field of work, and with documents dedicated to catering to the user's need, helps the team stay organized and on track by providing the clear understanding of the application users. This video covered details of what user manual is and content goes into this type of document, as well as how to organize that content in visually pleasing and user-friendly manner. That's all for today's SkillUp video. Stay tuned for more such videos. So this was my second episode for SkillUp, and compared to the first one, it was a very fun and relaxed one. अलिकति ढिला स्टार्ट भए पनि एन्ड प्लान गरे अनुसार ढिला स्टार्ट भए पनि डिलेज आए पनि थ्याङ्क्स टु द अमेजिङ टिम बिहाइन्ड द सिन्स द्याट made this possible. Thanks to Sudip, Milan and Mehendi for the amazing support behind the scene and for organizing this shoot. It was very fun. Thank you. Resource for learning about and making the most of the device in question. Now, you may be wondering to learn about how to represent those documents. The main goal of user to grasp people's attention. For such, while delivering information, one way to achieve. A familiarity with the word unfamiliar. And on track by providing and user-friendly manner. Manual ways. That's for today's episode. Sorry.
Last scene, take 2, 1, 2, 3.
Episode. Okay. Thanks to the amazing team.
Oh, yo.
Hey, why not?